Hi, did you know that the handcrafted coffee we usually drink requires many processing steps? After the coffee beans are roasted, before they can be packaged and delivered to us. At this time, we designed a vibrating platform for coffee bean processing. A vibrating motor is installed beneath the platform, and workers pour the coffee beans into the feed hoopers. Through vibration, the coffee beans are evenly spread across the platform. In the middle of the platform, atomized silver iron water is sprayed evenly over the beans. We've installed perforated plates throughout the platform to allow excess moisture to drain. At the rear of the platform, fans and UV sterilization lights are used to dry and sterilize the beans, eliminating excess moisture from the spray. Finally, the beans are sent to the next stage of the process, where infrared equipment handles drying and packaging. So, if you have any questions with the conveyor, please let us know.